What's up, guys? Just wanted to make a rather sad video of this Tatung fan, but yet we're gonna fix it without taking it off of the ceiling. So I want to show you, all right, what it does on low. Okay, see, it's like very slow. The bearings are very, how do I put it? They're very tacky inside. It's weird. Sometimes it'll take off. Others, probably like what's about to happen, it just stops. I believe this is the Tatung Sun Star. But you can see it's Tatung. Looks like that other one down there. Just that one has 3 lights. Those are more common. Yeah, this is what I'm dealing with. I believe it's like 1987, something like that. It says Tatung Co. of America, made in Taiwan, ROC. But let me stop it. If you stop it like that, very gently, it stops. If you give it that little push, sometimes it'll go, other times it'll just stop. So here's what we're going to do. Let's shut this off. Okay? Now, I'm going to be using this garage door lube. Really, any lubrication will work. Now, I don't know if you can see these vents, but I'm going to do my best to squeeze that little straw in there over at that shaft. Sorry guys, bear with me. Let me just set the camera there for just a moment. Okay, so I'm gonna lean the fan over. There we go. There. I just put a little bit of garage door lube on that bearing up top, because that's going to be what we are starting with. Just let that soak in for just a minute. See, the fan's supposed to move when you do that. See, like this, I'll do it. See, that's how a fan's supposed to be. Look at that. The lube looks like it's starting to get in there. I just give it a little bit of a push just to start it. Now, for the honors, I'm gonna give it a little bit of a hard time. Oh man, it wants to. Poor fan. Almost, it's trying. Okay, I'm gonna go up into the housing again. Just gonna push it over like that. Okay. Now for this up in here. See if it'll radiate up in there for me. Not sure if that'll go well or not. Ooh, it's getting a little smoother. Let's just push it a little bit. Well, that's spinning a lot better. Not as locky. Alright, let me stop it. And look at that, it's pushing itself. There it goes. Looks like that garage door lube worked. Yeah. Still a little slow. This fan has always been slow. But I think it'll do better now that that's gotten lubed. I hear it sinking in up there, actually. I hear it radiating down in. Sorry about my dog whining in the background. She's in her kennel and wants to come out. That's what I like to see. That looks better, doesn't it? Now let's just break it in a little bit. I don't care what it is that you use. Any lubrication is gonna make a fan a little bit noisy. This thing hauls freight on high. Now let's just see if it's a little looser. As you can see, the pull chain's been replaced. I have to put this on to make it a little longer. That's a lot better, isn't it? Ah, look at that. That is so much better. That's how a fan's supposed to be. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed. Hope this helped you. But if you have a flush mount fan, you cannot lube it while it's up on the ceiling. But if you have one like this that has vents and you can get to the bearing, you can. But like and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed. And I hope this video helps. See ya.